Here we go. Let's make pizza. Yeast. Honey. Warm water. Going in. Then go the seasonings. Cup of water. 3 cups of flour, all going in. Going into a warm oven for about an hour. After that's well stirred, then putting in 1 more cup of flour and then start to knead. All right, here comes the fun part. The bread's coming out of the oven. We're gonna use this one recipe for the pizza dough and try to build 2 crusts out of it, so less dough, more toppings. Let's see if we're up to the challenge. As I take the dough out of the oven, I'm gonna preset the oven at 425. Here we go. All right, into the oven they go at 425 to pre-bake for about 8 or 9 minutes. And here they are, they're out of the oven, they've been pre-baked. And now I'm gonna throw on all the toppings that I've been preparing meanwhile. So we have 2 options. One's gonna have meat, and one's not gonna have meat because we have different kind of desires in our household. And we'll get started. This is the really great part. And that's it. So these are gonna go back into the oven. It's still at that 425, and they'll bake for about 17 minutes or so, 16, 17, 18, just keep looking at them. And since you've got 2 pizzas, just look at the one on top. It'll brown faster than the one on bottom. You can always take the top one out first and let the bottom come up a little bit on the higher shelf. That's it, it's going in. We'll see what they look like in just. Well, if you've made it this far, well done. Thanks for hanging in there with me. We are pulling the pizza out of the oven. So it ended up being more like 19 minutes. So just start watching it at 16 if you're actually using this recipe at your house. And just pull it out when it looks great to you. So I'm so excited. This is the spinach mushroom. And then this is the sausage and spice. All right, so don't forget to play with your food, enjoy cooking, and then enjoy the fruit of your labors. Have a great day. Bye.